The catwalk is calling. The countdown begins as students and faculty put the final touches on the runway for next week's highly anticipated Lynn Fashion Showcase. Let's take a look at reporter Alison Wallace as she takes us backstage for an exclusive sneak peek.
The countdown begins with just one more week until the Lynn Fashion Showcase. Students and faculty members are joining forces to create this incredible runway. Let's go check out what's been done so far and the designs that have been made. I spoke to Lynn's student Heidi Schultz about her part in this runway.
Currently drawing some of the local plants and like flowers, butterflies of Boca Raton, and well, the theme was for Boca Raton's 100th anniversary, so I was like, yeah, let's just do some local stuff.
That's incredible. It matches the theme too. How long have you been working on this so far?
About an hour, because me and my class came here to start working on it as like a little side thing. And class started at 12 and it's about 1, so yeah, about an hour. And I'm hoping to be done with the sketch in another 30 minutes and then hopefully start just actually painting it.
I also spoke to Dave Baer, professor at Lynn, who brought out his class to help make this runway a reality. You're currently here with your class working on the runway. How is it going so far?
It's going pretty good. They're having a good time drawing, filling in all the positive and negative space with their artwork.
Yeah, it looks really good so far. Are you working on anything yourself on the runway?
I basically did the entire painting on the runway. All the black stuff that you see on it was all me with a big roller brush.
How long have you guys been working on this runway so far, and when do you think it'll be done?
I know they've been putting it together for a couple days, probably since Sunday. We started the painting yesterday, and that took all of maybe 3 hours for me to do. Finished up a little bit today with this piece here, and then now the students are doing their job. So hopefully, because of all the holidays this weekend, we'll be done by Tuesday.
Yeah, this sure is going to take a long time, but all the effort will be worth it in the end. For some of these designs, what would you say inspired some of them? I know a lot of students have been working on them.
As far as the students are concerned, well, the theme is the centennial of Boca Raton. So when you go around, you'll see like little rats and little mice or something there. Beach scenes, a lot of quotes for Boca Raton and whatnot. But basically, they can do whatever they want to do.
This year's fashion show is really going to be amazing. Thanks to all your work and your students. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. It was fun. Thanks for having us.
I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look for next week's big event. I'm Alison Wallace reporting for iPulse Live.